but suddenly it pumped from here, which was around, if we see from this position, the high side, it actually pumped 9.48% and then again it retraced and currently going sideways. There was a support level, actually there was resistance around this position, and it actually broke that. Actually broke that with the pump. Currently it is up. This will be the support level for it. Maybe a little bit upper stays. The next question for it. Actually, it is currently free. Anytime we can see a very good pump or dump. See, like there is a nice. For the very short time, this is the line they have to break through to go up to here. Yeah, this can be a good reason too, because you saw that this position and this position there. For the long term, if we go to the daily chart, day chart, you can see this is the lowest support zone around 0.29, and basically there's a very few chance that it drops here, like that's like almost their lowest low. Their high side was very big, that was around $1.9, like very sick. So yeah, for the long term, we can see it moves around $1. That was very good. But yeah, for the short time, you can see it was going sideways, but we had a very good pump there. The 18th from 12th September, from there it is actually pumping and broke their past sideways walk, and it will currently try to break this. Like if it break this position, then that's bullish confirmed. Currently we're bearish, but yeah, still you can see SI, the low has high, so it didn't break around this. Actually, yeah, then the high side, and again the low it broke through, but the high side currently it need to break to go to a uptrend. Currently it's in a downtrend.